welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are well and I hope you all are doing great. Today I'm going to unbox my Converse and Play shoes. Yes, you know me, I love anything to do with the heart or love design. So this shoe was definitely on my list to get for Christmas. So yeah, this is such a stunning shoe. I can't wait to show you guys how it looks. But first off, before I get on with it, please do not forget to like this video, comment down below, and subscribe to my channel. So yes, I'm just going to open this box. And I got these shoes from Farfetch. Ah, look how cute it looks. It looks super duper cute. So yeah, this is, I got this from Farfetch here, and this is like the tag from Farfetch, just another tag, and what else is here? So this is the Play logo. I'm not quite sure how to pronounce that. That's French. But yeah, this is how the shoe looks. I absolutely love this shoe. You can wear this with, you know, jeans, blazer, a jersey, or, you know, a dress, whatever you like. Literally, you can literally wear these shoes with anything. And I'm so happy because I was looking at getting a Converse shoe, but I wanted it to be like this high top ones. I really do not like the mid-rise or the low-rise ones, so I wanted the high-rise ones, and this one was so appealing because of that print right there. So this is made of cotton, so this is like a cotton material, and this design has been printed on it, so it's not like something that was literally sewn on it. So it's just printed on it, but it's such a good print, and yeah, I'm pretty much happy with how it looks. So this is the back of the shoes. I tried the shoes on when I got it, and I noticed that the insole was nice and soft. It is nice and soft in there and quite comfortable. So this is not like the kind of shoes that you'll wear for long periods, you know, walking for long periods and stuff like that. This is like a casual trainer that you can just wear to just chill out, go out, have fun, come back home. I wouldn't recommend these shoes to be like a what they call that stuff, like a proper shoe, like an orthopedic shoe. Or is that the word? I wouldn't recommend this shoe for like people with feet problems or anything. No, this is just a casual shoe that is fun, playful, and cute as well. It's also stylish. Love the back as well. You can wear this with jeans or leggings, you know. It's so easy to style these shoes. Yeah, so another great thing that I noticed about the shoes is it has, you know, room in the front. So basically these are unisex shoes, so they're made for men and women. So there's no different one that's for women and then a different one for men. So they're made for men and women. For me, I normally wear a size 8 or a size 42. That's like the European size 42, but in this one the sizing was for men and it was a US size for men. So for me, since I'm an 8, I went for the 8 in men's size as well, because I had to call in to ask about that, and it said I need to take a size 8 as well for men, or I could go down to a 7.5. But guess what? The size 7.5 was £350 on Farfetch, whilst this one was £130, £130 for this one, and then a size 7.5, like the half size, was like £350, guys. It wasn't worth it to me, so I literally did not take it. I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take a size 8. So when I wear like leggings, tights, socks and stuff, it won't be too tight, you know. And yeah, I'm really happy with this size that I took. So yeah, I just wanted to unbox it for you guys to see what I got for myself for Christmas. And of course, this will be so good for spring, summer, autumn, winter. I wouldn't say winter to be precise, but depending on how the weather is, if it's a sunny winter day and you feel like you're bold enough to wear this, then you can wear it, you know. But I just got this for autumn and also for next year, spring, summer. I feel like this will be such an ideal shoe to wear in, you know, the warmer weather. And yeah, so I'm going to show you guys how it looks on my feet. So yeah, this is how the shoe looks on me. I probably should tighten this one a bit more because it kind of looks quite loose, but this is how it looks. And it's so pretty, guys. Literally super pretty. I absolutely love it. It's so stylish. I'm not quite dressed yet, so I can't show you like the full look, but hopefully in some other video I'll show you guys a full look. But yeah, this is how it looks for now, and it looks amazing. So if you've been thinking about getting these shoes, you definitely should go ahead and get them. They're so lovely. This is how it looks. So nice. Yes, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed this unboxing. I know it's a short video, but I just had to share this just to, you know, inspire anyone who's out on the hunt for these shoes. You can get them from Farfetch. I tried to get them from Converse website, but they didn't have any in stock, so I got this from Farfetch. Yes, so thank you guys so much for watching. Do not forget to like, comment and subscribe down below. And yes, please comment how you pronounce the name of the brand. I would say Commes Des Garçons or Garçons. I'm not sure, so leave it down below how you typically pronounce it. And yeah, that would be super helpful to anyone out there who also struggles with pronouncing French words. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.